Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine, enjoying and taking care also at home. And along with that, you study also very nicely because in the live class, whenever ma'am asks any question, you are giving answer or trying to give answer. That is the good sign that you are nowadays studying also very nicely. Now today we will do EVS, and in EVS certain chapters are such which I think that you should know more about that. Previously also we have done, but now in the revision we will do little bit in better way in that chapter, because these are the chapters which in next class and further also you will read about this chapter more. So I think it will be helpful for you if I take a revision of this chapter. So I have taken revision of this chapter once again, that is previous chapter also related to plants, but I have taken chapter number 17, that is plants are useful. Chapter number 16 is also related to plants, that is the parts of plant you can see. Chapter number 16 is also plants, that is the world of plants. That means here we have to know about plants. Already we have known parts of plants, function of different parts of plants, that is the thing. But I think you should know more about usefulness of plants, because plants are our green friends that you have learned. Plants give us many things. For existence on the earth, we need all these things. So, like wood for burning, for making furniture, that plant gives us. Very important thing, plants provide us oxygen. For the survival, for living, we need oxygen to breathe in, isn't it? Because our surrounding is full of pollution. But plants, all this pollution, it turns into clean air and making oxygen for us and animals, which help us to live, isn't it? Not only that, plants give us all types of food, like fruits, vegetable, like grains, like you can say spices. Even for the cooking, oil is needed, that also we are getting from some seeds of plants. Medicine we are taking, some plants are used to make medicine also. Not only that, even we are using papers, that also plants give us. That we will discuss afterwards, once again revise it. But plants are giving us that paper also. Yes, many things. People are using dye. We are using paint on the furniture. That also we get from plants. So, plants are called our green friends. It helps us in many ways. They don't ask for any help from us, but we should grow more and more plants. For making food, plants need only air, water and sunlight. If it's rain, then plants take the water also from rain. But when it is not raining, we should give water to plants so that plants can make their own food and they can grow and they can help us in future also. That we have to keep in mind. Okay. So now today in this exercise we will once again revise how does plants help us. What are the things plants give us? That we will once again revise in the form of exercise, because you should recall everything once again, then only you will be able to know more about this chapter, because this is a useful chapter and this will helpful for you in next class also. So I have taken this. So let's start in the form of exercise. Okay? Yes. Chapter number 17, plants are useful. What do plants provide us? What do plants give us? Plants are our green friends, as I discussed just now. They provide us these things. Which are that fruits and vegetable, spices, many things. Okay, medicines, yes, medicine fibers like cotton, jute, natural fiber. We are making cotton, dresses from that. From jute, we are making purses, bag, many other items also. So, fibers. We write here fibres, fibers, then food, medicine, fibers, then oil. Some seeds of plants are crushed and oil are extracted from that, like mustard, sesame, then coconut, all this groundnut, isn't it? All these are used to make oil. Then perfumes. We are using perfumes, no? That also we are getting from plants. Which plant? Rose, jasmine. The petal of that plants are processed and these perfumes are prepared from that, and we are using that. Not only rose water, petals are used to make rose water. Okay. So food, medicine, fiber, oil, perfumes, then with many things. Then rubber. Rubber, we are using, no? Rubber, 1 minute. Rubber, this is very important. Without rubber, no vehicle can run. All the tires of vehicle is made with rubber. We are using eraser, that is also rubber. Rubber are used in many places, especially vehicle I told you. Without that, no vehicle can run. That is the one thing. That rubber also we are getting from plants. Now, we can write here spices. Now we make spices. The mother is cooking food and she is adding spices to the food item. That makes that increase the taste. Along with that aroma also it includes in the food items. That is also we get from plants. Now wood. Yes, wood. It is very useful. Plants are giving us wood. Tick, deodar, we have learned, no? That are used to make furniture. Without furniture, how can we do many work in the classroom, at our home? Cupboards are made with furniture. Doors and windows are made with that wood. Classroom benches are made with wood. So plants are giving that thing. Then along with that, we can write here tea, coffee. Tea, coffee. Your parents and elders are drinking tea, coffee. That also we get from plants. Not only that paper, you can write paper. Many are there, uncountable. And important thing is it provides us oxygen, that we have to write, because without oxygen we cannot live. So plants give us oxygen also to live. So we will write here oxygen. Okay, oxygen. So this way plants help us in many ways. We have written here few only. Still people are using dye, that also we get from plants. Then this door painting, special plants are there. That juice are used to make that paint. That we will discuss afterwards. But main things, what are the things we get from plants, that we have written here. Once again I can repeat. We get food, medicine, fibers, oil, perfumes, rubber, spices, food, tea, coffee, oxygen. Important things I have written that we get from plants. So please children, plants are our great friend, green friend. It makes our surrounding neat and clean. So while in this revision session, please observe it, and you also do practice of that. For that you have to observe. So please observe it and learn it. Okay.